Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are sharing one more interview experience. So this time we are sharing an interview experience with CJ. If you want to know like what is the interview process at CJ, or want to know like what kind of interview questions or topics that you can brush up before taking up an interview with CJ, this video will definitely help you out. So this video was contributed by one of our subscriber. So in this video, we'll be sharing you the interview questions that he has encountered in his technical round one, and that happened over a Skype. So coming to the questions like location, it was a Bangalore, and the experience of this interview is 3 plus years. Interview type was face to face, like online face to face, I would say. Uh, and the interview day was a weekday. So that was about the interview process. And coming to ourselves, who are we, like what we do? So we are typically a bunch of software engineers who attend the interviews and share our real-time interview experiences through these videos. Apart from this, we will share those interviews as well which have been contributed by our subscribers. If you want to know, if you want to contribute, you can please share your interview experiences at the below given id in the description. And if you haven't subscribed us, please do subscribe, because there are many more to come which are in the queue, like interview experiences. So this was about a quick introduction of ourselves, and getting into the questions. The first question was, what have you done in your project? Can you explain me, or can you tell me? So basically this question is about comes under roles and responsibility. If we what I can say, segregate it. Basically when an interviewer asks us like explain about your roles and responsibilities, then the next question would be this: what you have done in your project actually. So we have to explain in detail, like he was a 3 years experience guy, so he can easily manage it if he is having a real time hands-on experience. The next question is, what is polymorphism? Where have you used in your project? So we have to explain in a way, like what was the need to implement polymorphism at that point, and why we have implemented polymorphism there. The next question is string. There are two strings like s1 s2. So s1 and s2 both are same, like in the double quotes it is written hira. So the question is, how many objects will be created? And the second condition, s1 double equals s2 whether it is true or false, s1 equals s2 whether it is true or false. So this was the question. This is very simple. I would say for 3 years of experience guy, this is a good question only. I am not overriding equals method. What will happen? So basically it will have an issue when we are doing a get operation on hash map if we are not implementing the equals method properly. In a given list of employees, filter employees based on their salary, like the salary should be greater than 50. And I feel he it might be asked to use streams here. Just he has shared us the question, but it's my assumption that they might have asked him to use streams here. Do you worked on servlet and JSP? So there was questions on servlets and JSPs as well. This is strange, like maybe a 3 years experience guy can expect this, but if you are having 5 or 6 plus years of experience, usually they have stopped this kind of questions. Like for 3 years of experience they will ask what are the implicit objects of JSP. To be honest, like in today's generation, like no projects are using, hardly very few projects are using JSPs and servers we are using of course internally, but JSPs we are very rarely we are using. But when, like if you take 3-4 years back, this was a damn sure question, like what are the implicit objects of JSPs. How many types of polymorphisms? So two types, should have explained him easily. What is a stream API? Why do we require the stream API? So this comes under the Java 8 features. What is stream API and what are benefits it has having? Very good benefits when if we are using it in the right way. What is overriding and overloading? Very basic question again. Do you work on JUnit, Mockito or Power Mockito when you are writing your test classes? So definitely if we are working, usually people use Mockito, not Power Mockito, but Power Mockito has its own powers if we categorize in that way, because we can mock even the private methods there using Power Mockito. Tell me some annotations of Mockito. So if you have hands-on experience only, you can say uh, the annotations of Mockito, because uh, in general we can talk about the annotations that we are used in Springboard or Hibernate in different things. But when comes to Mockito, if we are not using, if we don't have the experience of writing JUnits, it becomes really tough to explain about the annotations here. What is AOP and what is Spring JDBC? So this is a question like might have explained him about the AOP concepts and Spring JDBC and its advantages. What is it providing over normal JDBC? What is weaving in AOP? Was the next question. Which database are you using in your project, or you have hands-on experience? So has to explain depending upon the database that he has worked. What is collection? Write whole collection hierarchy. Like basically we'll draw like iterable interface, what all classes, what are interfaces, implements, extensions, implements, what all classes comes under that. So has to draw a big picture here. I always used to get confused when I was asked this question. Differences between set and map, array list and linked list. So basically the question is differences between set and map, and explain the differences between array list and linked list. Yeah, good question. Only for 3 years, guys. This is a good question. What is tree set? When to use tree set? So this was the question, like tree set, and in what scenarios we should use tree set. Can I customize sort in hash set? So this was the question. So can we customize a sorting in hash set? We can. Why not? Differences between comparator and comparable interface, and when to use comparator interface or when to use comparable interface. So this is scenario based. We need, when we are explaining in detail, we need to give like with an example. If we are explaining it, it would be very easy to explain the concept of this interfaces. How to iterate tree set, how to iterate list, how to iterate hash map. So these were the next 3 questions, like on the iteration. How do we iterate? Maybe they might have asked him to write the code here, what I feel. Do you use Maven or Ant? So depending on your project, you can talk about the things here. What is the goal of your project? I feel this was about the Maven goal, what we give. Okay. Features of JDK 1.7 and why are you using JDK 7? So maybe they are using in the project, that was the requirement from the client side to use JDK 1.7. That's the reason they are using. And there are very good features in 1.7 as well. WSDL, in how many sections, like how many sections are present in WSDL or WSDL, you can say. Write a query to find maximum salary of a department. So asked to write a query. It is a very basic query, I would say. Maximum salary of a department. Yeah. Write a query to find maximum salary of each department. So max and group by functions comes into picture here. What is purge command? So this purge command used for, I believe. So these were about the interview questions that have been asked to him, that he has shared with us. So this was the mail I just added here. So that's it about the interview questions that he has shared with us. Like if you like the video, you can subscribe us, you can share this video to other technical platforms as well. This might help someone who is looking out for this kind of videos. Or you can like, or you can provide the feedback. Like if you want to provide the answers for any questions, feel free to comment it. And thank you for watching. That's it from our end as of now.
Why do we ask our viewers or subscribers to share our videos? The reason for starting this channel was to share real-time interview experiences. A few years back, when we were trying to switch our company, we were not finding out a perfect answer, like what is the interview process at a respective company, or what kind of interview interview questions we may encounter in the interview at that company, or how much salary we can expect there, like how much we can say, like what we can expect there. So we were not finding it on any site, even on the sites like Glassdoor we were not able to find the complete picture there. So we have started this channel, And why we ask you to share is, and we believe that there are many other like us who want to know like similar kind of things. So if you share this video somewhere, someone will get an idea on the interview process or type of questions they are going to encounter in the interview and how much salary they can expect there. So that is the reason we ask you to share our videos. Why do we ask our viewers to share subscribers? The reason for asking is that there are n number of interview questions that we have already shared, and there are many other interview experiences or interview questions which are there in the queue. If you subscribe us, you will not miss any of the updates that we are publishing. And one more thing is like we are working with different members, like with our friends who work on different technology stack like .NET, DevOps, AWS, Salesforce, and very soon we will be sharing the interview experiences of on those technologies as well.